Welcome back, guys. This is the part 3 of writing travel guide. Now, I won't be dwelling much on getting our content, because I've already taught you how you can get content for this. All you just have to do is go to ChatGPT. These are the content that has generated for this introduction. That's why I put it in red. So what you have to do now is just get this prompt, our prompt that we prompted ChatGPT from here. Just get it, and let's see, where's the prompt. uh just just go back to the prompt it gave us. This is the second prompt. This planning your trips. Yes, so just copy it like this, and go back here and paste. So once it generates it for us, all you just have to do is copy it, go to QuickBooks, paraphrase it, and come to this duplicate checker, check your parallelism, and you come back to this your Word document, and you paste. So I won't be doing it so that this video won't be too long, but in this video I want to give you some valuable tips, the elements that should be in your book. Now, if you haven't watched the part 1, part 2, please go back so that you will know what we are talking about, so that you would understand everything that we how we got to this place. Now, let's say we want to add images. How can you get images for your book? This has been one of the challenges that make people to not write travel guide. So let's see our table of content. Now, in this chapter 4, they say top destination. Now, our major cities in this Scotland, it gave us Edinburgh. So what you want to do now is copy this. Hey guys, I'm telling you, this is a big secret, like a big secret, guys. You don't want to miss it. So just come to this Edinburgh, and you you come to your browser. You come to your browser here, and you search for Edinburgh Trip Advisor. Guys, don't joke with this. Edinburgh Trip Advisor. So you click on it. This website will give you everything about this where you can get images from. So just come to this Edinburgh, and can you see these are places, these are hotels. Can you see place to stay? These are hotels, these are food and drinks in Edinburgh. This city alone, it has given us everything about Edinburgh. Now, this is let's see the photo we can use now. Hold on. Okay, we can use this Edinburgh Old Town. Can you see? Just click on it. Click on Edinburgh Old Town. You just have to be uh just have to be creative and see whatever that in this. About this site is very, very useful. So just come to this all photos. Now, these are the photos you can use, guys. These photos are not trademarked, are not anything. These are the photos that people that visited this country took by themselves. So you can use this and just manipulate it. You can see these are people that went to this. So all you just want to do now is try to over your mouse and see the latest. Can you see this one? Okay, go see, this is 2024. This person went to Scotland, Edinburgh, 2024. Now this one too is 2024. This one too is 2024. So you can pick whatever picture you want here. So as for this tutorial, let me just pick something random. Let's say we want this one. So you just once you see it like this, you now bring your sniping tool. Just come here, sniping tool, how to screenshot. I don't know if you know it. Just come to your search and you type sniping tool there. It's going to be there. Just type it, sniping tool. So once you have it, just click on new, and you screenshot part of these images, part of this image. Let's see, why is it not doing? Hold on, I think it's just, I don't know. Okay, new. Okay, so just screenshot part of it. You can just screenshot it like this, or don't let this. Okay, just screenshot it like this. Screenshot it. This is now your own image. Now you save it. You can just save it. Save. Then you go back to your to your um to your Word document, and you go and paste. But before you go and paste, you check this. Can you see this information about ndebug? Can you see? These are the things you can do, you can use to spice up your book. Just copy it like this. Just copy it. This is about ndebug. Just copy it. You can see more options. The area, you know the best restaurant nearby ndebug. These are the things you can input in your book just to spice it up, guys. So let's go and paste this one. So let's say we are writing for this ndebug. Let me just let's just put this like this. Let's say major cities, then ndebug. Wait, let me. So ndebug. So what you want to do now is insert. No, we first of all paste this. We paste this about ndebug. Just paste it. Then we put our images there. How do you put image? I've already thought that about, but I'll still show you here. Just come to your shapes. Just take a shape here. Then you get a shape like this. Then after that, then you come to this shape fill, and come to this picture. So after that, it's going to pop up where you save the picture and you input it, and then you can do a little bit of manipulation with that picture. So let it load and you will see what I'm talking about. You open a file. Let's see. Okay, I don't know why it's okay. Just come to this download and screenshot, insert. Now to make it even more manipulative, just come to this picture format, then you click on crop, then fill. So I think this is okay. Then you click on picture effect, then you click on these soft edges. Then you can do it again to manipulate it more. You see, this is beautiful. Can you see? This is how you will do for all the cities. This ndebug, this is Glasgow, and I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. Glasgow. You can do this Glasgow again. You just repeat the process. There's nothing complicated about it. Just come to your browser again, go back, then let's see. let's paste it. Let's see what it's going to do. Just click on enter. So that is how you are going to get images. You see, this is Gaslo. So uh, these are the images you can use in Gaslo. So just whatever suits you, whatever suits the thing you want to write, just take it, just use the picture there, and and manipulate the picture, because you don't want to use it like that. These are the pictures in Gaslo. Everything red Gaslo. These are beautiful pictures that you can use. These are the hotels. Can you see? If you want pictures of hotel too, you can just come here and take screenshot of those pictures. These are the foods that Gaslo you can get in Gaslo. Can you see? These are beautiful, beautiful things. This is what I'm teaching you. You can never see it anywhere. You know, some people are paying a lot of money to get this, to get these tips. So this is how you can add pictures to um your travel guide cities. Now if you want to add journal, I've already taught that, but let me still go back to it. You want to come to your Canva here. You want to come to your Canva and search for travel guide journal. I've already searched for it. Just search for travel guide, and whereby this is a paid version. I've taught, I know I've showed you how you can get your own paid version for free. Yes, you don't have to pay any money. I've been using this now for the past, it's been long, and I've never paid a dime for this Canva. So you can get your own too. So after that, it's going to pop up, and just check travel guide journal. So these are the travel guide. This is what I'm going to download now. So let me just download it. I'll download it now, and and we are going to use it in our book. So this is how you can get a journal. A journal too is part of the element, part of the element that should be in your book. So what you want to do now is, let me just take this, let me take this to another page. So what you want to do now is, you come here, you insert shape. Is like we did for that picture. You insert the shape. So you insert another one too here. You insert another one too here. These are how you can get your journal inside your book. So you take another one here, then you come to your, it's going to download in zip file, but you come to your and extract it. After extracting it, then you go back to your Word document and you go and paste from there. So that is how you can do. I will show you now. Okay, we've extracted it. Now you come to this place and come to shape fill picture. Then you click on your, from your computer. Then after that, these are the journal. Number one, I think that should be the cover. You insert. So this is the cover. You can make it more beautiful than this, but this is just a tutorial. You can make your own more beautiful. Then to hide the interior, all you just have to do is the same process. Picture, what again, you come here and you hide the second one, and this is the interior. Now to make this more, you are going to duplicate this more. So you just copy it, and after copying, let's take this to another. Just right click on this and you paste. You do the same thing for here. Right click on this and you paste. You can do this for, I don't know, whatever pages you want, maybe 10, 20, 30, 100. Depends on how you want your book or how you want to feed your customers. So this is how you can input travel guide, journal inside your travel guide. So about the puzzle, this is a big secret, guy, but I'm going to stop here. I'm going to stop here. So if you want me to create that travel guide, that puzzle book for you, you know how you can input your travel puzzle book inside this book again, just to spice everything up, you know, just to make it more blowing for your customers, you know, just to make it more blowing. You can add the images here to in this title page. You know, we forgot to add it, so you can just do that when you are creating your own. So let me know if you want me to create this puzzle book for you in the comment section. It's just say that hey Light, create this puzzle book for me. You know, I need it, and I will do that, I promise. So just let me know in the comment section. So if you find any value in this video, guys, if there's any value at all that you find, that you know you learned new thing, please, the only thing I'm begging for now is your support. Just subscribe, like, and share, and also comment. Yeah, and I'll be glad to give you more valuable videos on this channel. So guys, without wasting much of our time, I will see you in the next video, which is going to be the part 4. And that part 4, guys, is going to be blowing, because I have more bonus and more tips to spice up your book. You wait and see, guys. Bye bye.